Howdy guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a exhaust tip onto your vehicle without any of the proper tools. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so all you need is a drill, can of spray oil, some various sets of drill bits, a pair of pliers, random bags of bolts and nuts and screws, a exhaust tip, and the most important part, a screwdriver. Alright guys, so you'll want to start out with your almost smallest bit you got and get your spray oil and spray your exhaust pipe where you want to drill your hole. Oh, I almost forgot the second most important part of this. Remember your safety glasses. I can't see anything with these things on. Right, we'll do some test fitting here. Our hole's drilled. It's time to put our exhaust tip in there. You gotta take your screwdriver. Whenever you get your holes lined up, poke your screwdriver through there just like that. Alright guys, we crawled up under here from the other side. And this is what you should look like here with your screwdriver through the holes you drilled. Well, I took and broke the handle off of mine. You don't have to do that, but you know, sometimes it makes it better so you don't have all the melting rubber down underneath of here. So, man, this thing looks freaking awesome. The wildest looking exhaust tip I've ever seen in my life. I really expected it to make it louder or like, you know, have a crackle and pop sound, but it didn't at all. Like it just quieted it down. Huh. Well, let's go drive around for a little bit and see what we can come up with. camera. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. And if you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button and feel free to subscribe for more crazy content just like this.